زين.
اهلا بيك.
اهلا بك انت. First question is, what reasons led you to become a teacher?
Yes, the first reason I become a teacher that I want to help this special need because nobody can help them if I don't take this responsibility, and a lot of people get pouring from this, and a lot of families suffer from these difficulties. So if I study hard and take a science for science of behavior analysis or special education to make these people better in their life, I think it's good for me.
Yes. What are the challenges of assessing students with special needs?
Assessing.
Yes.
The first session is very difficult because the child come to you and you are new. He don't know you, so he started to scream and make a lot of tantrums.
Yes.
He don't want to cooperate with you, and you want to know exactly what he will do.
Yes.
So the first session is very, very difficult for me. But after that, after I make a positive pairing and mean that I collect all the toys and play with him and give him enforcers, and he think that I am good like enforcer, he start to perform as I want.
Yes.
This is the first.
Okay. What assessment strategies that you use to teach students with special needs?
Yes, I have a lot of curriculum, just like EBLS, Assessment of Basic Language and Learning Skills, VBMAP, also Essential for Living, and AFLS. AFLS is new one, and it's very, very accurate to assist the children. That's all.
Okay. What types of formal and informal measures that you use with the students with the special needs?
Yes, informal like interview
Yes.
and checklist and rating skills.
Yes.
This is all informal.
Informal.
Yes, I get the knowledge from other people, but the formal is connecting to the child directly.
Yes.
It's direct observation and take the ABC data and see the behavior consequence.
And last question is, do you think testing accommodation gives students with disability an advantage over other students or violate the integrity of your test?
Yes, but it depends on the child. If the child needs this changes,
Yes.
okay, that will be fair for him. But if the child is good and like visible learners and don't need this, it will make advantages to other people.
Yes. Okay, thank you for
Thank you. That's my pleasure.